Hi children, welcome to our next class. Are you ready to do the next worksheet? Yes. Did you take out your worksheet? Take your page number written on the board 27, 28 and be ready to do our work. Today we are going to do with the next set of words starting with T. Starting with T. Did you see the words with T in your worksheet? Yes. Shall we write? Yes. Are you sitting on a chair? Did you take pencil and rubber? Yes, very good children. Be happy and we'll do the letters with T. So, you can see the first letter, what it is? T, H, E. It's called the. T, H, E. The. Once more. T, H, E. The. The first word is the. T-H-E. The. Or you can see the also. It is the. T-H-E. The. T-H-A-T. That is the next word. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Once more. T-H-A-T. That. Okay, clear? Second word is clear? T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Third word, T-H-E-N. Then. Come on, write. T-H-E-N. Then. Once more. T-H-E-N. Then. I'm not repeating each letter by letter because I've already learned, both cursive, capital and small letter, isn't it? So just revise once more those worksheets and do this one neatly. T-H-E-N. Then. Okay, so three words with capital T is over. T-H-E-D, T-H-A-T. That. And T-H-E-N. Then. Okay, now we'll go to the next set with small letter T. T-H-A-N. Dan. Come on, write. T-H-A-N. Dan. Once more. T-H-A-N. Dan. Okay, it's clear? T-H-A-N. Dan. Next is T-H-I-S. This. T-H-I-S. This. Once more you write. T-H-I-S. This. T-H-I-S. This. Then the last word with T, that is T-H-E-M. Them. T-H-E-M. Them. Once more. T-H-E-M. Them. Okay, fine. So we are finished. small letter words with T, T-H-A-N, than, T-H-I as this, and the last word T-H-E-M, them. So shall we revise once more? T-H-E, the, T-H-A-T, that, T-H-E-N, then, T-H-A-N, than, T-H-I-S, this, the last word T-H-E-M, them. Okay, did you get all the words? Now you write the both sides slowly, and now Miss will show you some sentences with these words. Okay, so the meaning of the word will be more clear to you. Shall we? Yes. Okay, see the first picture with T-H-E, the. The kangaroo is running. Can you see in the picture the kangaroo how fast he is running? See? The kangaroo is running. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. It's very simple, no? The study only 3-letter word. This animal is running very fast. The tiger has black stripes. Can you see the picture of tiger with black stripes, black lines on its face? Again, T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. And now the next word, that. Hey, that is my bus. The man is calling loudly, shouting. Hey, that is my bus. The word is T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. The next picture is that Pokemon. The child is holding the Pokemon tightly and saying, is that Pokemon? Spelling T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. See the next word. What is this? Say louder. T-H-E-N, then. Keep swimming, then we will find Nemo. The both are searching for Nemo. Keep swimming, then we will find Nemo. Spelling of then is T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. Then the starfish disappeared. Okay, you can see in the picture the starfish is going away. So here also you can see the word then. T-H-E-N, then. Then the starfish disappeared. Now we go to the next word, than. What is spelling of than? T-H-A-N, than. Other than this. Other than this. He wants something other than this. T-H-A-N, than. Next sentence. Is there anything than this? Again, this man is asking, or this cartoon figure is asking, is there anything than this? T-H-A-N, than. Here also you study the spelling. T-H-A-N, than. Now the next word. This is my car. This is the next word. This is my car. You can see in the picture. Is this your car? Children, is this your car? No, isn't it? Is this my car? Spelling of this is T-H-I-S, this. T-H-I-S, this. The next picture. Wow, this is a big window. See the window of this house. Is it big? Isn't it? It's very big. Wow, this is a big window. Again you have THIS, this. THIS, this. The lady is pointing out this. THIS, this. Then the next word, them. What do you call them? The both are discussing. What do you call them? THEM, them. THEM, them. Now the last sentence, she gave them balloon. See, the aunt is giving them balloon. THEM, them. Lot of people. THEM, them. Okay, now children, I hope all the words are clear. You got all its meaning. Now you write your worksheet both sides. Study the spellings properly. Write the worksheet very neatly. So once you come to school, you have to show us. And do your work neatly. And whenever you write, you say louder and write so that these words will be registered in your brains. So, this a small grammar part is coming in between. Those will go in detail next classes. So, here only 3 or 4 letter words are given. Study those spellings and keep. Understood? So, meet you in next class. Bye.